Are you searching for the best robot vacuum cleaner in online? There were so many brands and models that you got totally confused. So, I started this channel to explore and share the best options with you. Cleaning every day is hard, right? This robot vacuum cleaner cleans your home by itself. It works on tiles, wood, and carpet, great for busy people, elders, and pet owners. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart reviews, Trustpilot ratings, Quora questions and answers, and even Walmart reviews, everything to help you choose the right one. We are comparing the robot vacuum cleaner, Eureka Forbes, Ecovacs, ILIFE and AGARO, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Let's kick off with suction power. Because stronger suction means a deeper, more effective clean in less time, Ecovacs leads with an impressive 6,500 pascals, Eureka Forbes holds strong at 5,000 pascals, ILIFE brings 4,000 pascals, and AGARO trails with 3,200 pascals, perfect for light daily dust but not the heavy stuff that hides deep in carpets where true suction power proves its worth. Next we see the coverage area, because covering more flow means less micromanagement. Ecovacs sweeps up to 3,500 plus square featuring, Eureka Forbes caps at 3,000 square feet, while ILIFE and AGARO manage homes up to 3,500 and 3,000 square feet, respectively, giving Ecovacs the edge in large space convenience that saves time and effort with every pass. Let's explore battery capacity, because how long it runs before a recharge matters. Ecovacs tops the list with a 5,200 mAh battery, Eureka Forbes follows closely with 5,000 mAh, while ILIFE and AGARO settle at 3,200 mAh, enough for smaller cleaning zones but not ideal for marathon cleaning sessions where bigger batteries mean fewer pauses. Now we look at charging time, because faster charging means quicker turnaround between cleans. Both Eureka Forbes and ILIFE boast a approximately 5-hour charge cycle, Ecovacs takes approximately 6 hours, and AGARO sticks with approximately 5 hours, meaning ILIFE and Eureka get back to work sooner when time is tight and flaws won't wait. Let's talk about running time, because cleaning stamina sets the real champions apart. Ecovacs shines with up to 330 minutes, Eureka holds steady at 300 minutes, while ILIFE and AGARO offer 150 minutes, making Ecovacs the marathoner for large homes where one run should get it all done. Next, we see the sweep and mop combo, because 2 jobs in one saves time and hassle. All 4, Eureka Forbes, Ecovacs, ILIFE, and AGARO, come equipped with dual modes, giving you dry and wet cleaning in a single pass, combining simplicity and hygiene into one smart move. Let's explore vacuum modes, because adapting to dirt levels makes all the difference. Each model offers quiet, standard, and max modes, letting you switch power based on mess intensity so you can clean smarter, not louder, especially when the baby's asleep or guests are over. Next we talk about dustbin capacity, because the fewer times you empty it, the better. Ecovacs leads with a roomy 400 ml, followed by Eureka and AGARO at 300 ml, and ILIFE at 250 ml, proving that size does matter when you want uninterrupted cleaning without trips to the trash. Now we check water tank capacity, because a bigger tank means more mopping with fewer refills. Eureka Forbes leads with 250 ml, Ecovacs follows with 240 ml, AGARO brings 230 ml, and ILIFE trails at 200 ml, making Eureka the clear winner for longer mopping sessions with fewer interruptions. Let's explore obstacle detection, because bumping into furniture isn't smart. Ecovacs leads with advanced sensors plus true mapping, Eureka and AGARO combine LiDAR plus infrared, and ILIFE uses smart LiDAR, giving Ecovacs the smartest eye in the room where accuracy avoids accidents. Next we see no-go zones, because some spaces are just off limits. All 4 bots support no-go zones, letting you block off areas virtually so the robot obeys like a trained pet, not a clumsy wanderer. Let's talk about the clean history log, because data helps optimize your cleaning habits. Every brand here features clean history tracking, making it easier to review, schedule, or repeat cleans with precision, like giving your robot a memory of your dirt map. Now we look at smart navigation, because aimless wandering wastes time and power. Ecovacs uses true mapping navigation, Eureka runs LiDAR-based mapping, and ILIFE and AGARO stick with standard LiDAR, but Ecovacs leads the pack with pinpoint path planning that cleans smarter every time. Let's explore voice assistant integration, because hands-free is hassle-free. All 4 bots connect with Alexa and Google Assistant, meaning you just speak and they obey. Cleaning on command has never felt more futuristic. Next, we see HEPA filters, because air purity matters just as much as clean floors. Every model includes HEPA filtration, trapping allergens and dust to make your home breathe better, especially helpful for kids, pets, and sneezers. Let's talk about auto resume, because a robot should know where it left off. All brands resume cleaning after recharging, making mid-clean interruptions a thing of the past, like a vacuum with built-in memory and zero excuses. Now we check LiDAR systems, because seeing the space in 3D means no missed spots. Every model features LiDAR 3.0, offering fast and accurate room scanning that avoids collisions while mapping rooms like a pro. Next, we see self-cleaning, because emptying bins manually is so last season. Only ILIFE includes a self-emptying base, while the others don't, making ILIFE the hands-off winner in dirt disposal for truly smart automation. Let's talk origin, because where it's made can affect trust and service. Eureka and AGARO are made in India, while Ecovacs and ILIFE are from China, giving buyers a choice between local innovation and international tech powerhouses. Next we explore spares availability, because breakdowns should never mean replacements. Ecovacs and ILIFE offer good spare part availability, while Eureka and AGARO are rated moderate, which means Ecovacs stands strong on long-term service assurance. Let's look at build quality, because a robot's outer shell should match its smart core. Ecovacs wins with excellent build, ILIFE and AGARO follow with good, and Eureka is rated average. So if durability is your deal breaker, Ecovacs stands tall. Now we check service availability, because after sales support is peace of mind. Eureka, Ecovacs, and ILIFE offer good service access, while AGARO is rated moderate, making the first 3 a better pick for stress-free repairs. Let's explore warranty, because coverage counts when things go wrong. All 4 brands offer a 1-year warranty, so you are protected early on. Just don't forget to register and keep your receipt handy. Next, we talk price, because value matters as much as features. All models are priced competitively with live links in the description, making it easier to find the best deal that fits your budget and your flow plan. Finally, we wrap up with real user ratings, because what people say after using it matters most. Ecovacs leads with a stellar 4.55, ILIFE follows at 4.2, AGARO scores 4.0, and Eureka finishes with 3.8, showing Ecovacs earns its place through happy, satisfied homes. Lastly, when it comes to price, to check the latest models and current prices, just click the link in the description. We are committed to reviewing only well-rated, reliable products, no cheap or poorly rated items. We avoid recommending low-quality items that don't last. Choose us for honest reviews focused on quality, performance, and value. As we look at the top 4 brands, remember that the items inside the box can be different. Some give only the main product, while others add extra things, so always check the details to know what you are getting with each brand. Your subscription is more than just a click, it's a vote of confidence that motivates us to keep creating valuable videos for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel.